knows if it would have moved the needle. We don't know. We're never going to know.
Probably would have.
Yeah, it's just unbelievable. Well, look.
One thing that, I would like her to address, because she was the Secretary of State. We keep hearing this term, deep state, deep state, deep state. Who are these people?
This is a term which was coined by political scientists to describe certain countries, like, for example, Pakistan, where the military and the intelligence services basically ran the country. And so you could get elected, but if they didn't like what you were doing, or you crossed them, you were out. Maybe you'd get arrested, you'd get deported, you'd get accused of something. In one case, you'd get assassinated or executed. So it has a very particular meaning. And when it started to be used by Trump and his associates about the United States, it was so wrong-headed. And I think we've seen that